Pythons, welcome to a brand new video tutorial in my channel. And for today, I will show you the best way to grow your TikTok views videos and automate it using simple Python bot that requires no coding skills. After watching the full video, you will be able to achieve exactly this number of views within a short time using this TikTok view bot. All you have to do is follow our instructions step by step. So in order to make this bot, we should first set up the basic requirements. We will start by installing the latest version of Python. Open your browser and type Python download. Then click on the first link and click on the download button. It's so easy to install it. You need just to click on next, next, and so on. Once you install it, you can check if you have the latest version by typing on cmd python version. Next thing you gotta do is download any text editor you want to work with. If you want to use the one I'm using, type on Google VS Code download and click on the first link. As you can see, VS Code is available for Windows, Linux, and for Mac too. Just choose the operating system you're using and download it. But if you are not familiar with VS Code, use the one you prefer, it's up to you. So this is our TikTok bot. As you notice, it has one Python file, which makes it super easy to use it, and no more complicated things. If you go to the About section, you can see that this automate TikTok bot can do multiple functions, like sharing, viewing, liking, and more, using Selenium library. And you don't need to know this library to run this bot, cause I will show you how to do it, step by step. Also, this bot has already 417 stars, which means it's more trusted, and it's 100% working. So if you want to use this bot, you can read this section below. But no worries, I will explain everything soon. And make sure to check the description as well, I will leave the link of this GitHub repository. So to download this bot, click on code, and download zip. After that, extract the files. And open the folder. And this is our files. So we will start by installing the necessary modules. Go to the path of this folder, and type cmd, then type pip install -r requirements.txt. Now all the libraries will be installed properly. In my case, I've already installed them before, so it will not take that much time. The next step is type code dot. So we can open our text editor, which is Visual Studio Code. Once you open it, you can notice on the left side, this file tiktok.py, click on it. As you can see, there is too much bunch of code here, that can ruin your mind, but, no need to know all these things, because we only need to add a small code, so our Python bot works fine. If you go back to GitHub, he already mentioned, that you should download the Chrome driver, that matches your Chrome version. But I don't use this way, cause it can make some issues during the process. So what I prefer to do is, back to the code, open cmd, and type, pip install, WebDriver, -manager. Once you finish the installation, go to your text editor, and add the following code. From WebDriver manager.chrome, import, Chrome driver manager. Scroll down a little, and between this brackets, type executable path, equal Chrome driver manager, .install. Now you are ready to run the bot, without any problem. In order to do that, back to cmd, and type, python, tiktok.py. The first thing gonna happen, is the Chrome driver will open. Next, you have to pass the CAPTCHA, just enter the word, that appears on the image. As you can see, the bot has multiple functions like we said before, except the followers, it's still under updates. But, in this video, I will only show you how to use the view bot, since it's the most one needed. I will use the bot on this TikTok account, since it has low views, so we can see the increase of views. Let me pick this video for example, that has only 422 views, which feels bad, so let's help him guys. Back to your CMD, we can see 4 choices here. In our case, we need the view bot, so we type number 3. Then, paste the TikTok video URL, and click enter. And here we go, the bot start doing his job, and sending the views. After 132 seconds, you will see that your video will get quite amount of views, which is great though. Now, let's check out the results. Back to TikTok, and refresh the page. And this is it, we were able to give him more than 1,000 views, within seconds. You can repeat the process since you're not overuse the bot. For more proof, I will give him more views on his video, but this time, I will speed up the video for not waiting too long. While the bot is complete, make sure to join our Telegram group, where we share great stuffs there, and we help each other to solve the issues we face. I will leave the link in the description. Back to our bot. As you can see, we reached 2,621 views in a short time, which is absolutely insane. So if this bot worked for you, make sure to tell us in the comment below, and hit the like button as well.